In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Patreon account. We'll walk through the exact steps to permanently remove your account, along with helpful context so you know what to expect. You'll just need a web browser and access to your account. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent, so it's important to cancel any active memberships first to avoid future charges. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Patreon. From the results page, click the official Patreon link to open the site. Once you're on the home page, log in using your usual sign-in method. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. After logging in, make sure you're on your member profile. If you also have a creator page, switch to your member view so you can manage your subscriptions. This is important because account deletion requires canceling all active memberships from the member side. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Settings. When the Settings page opens, find and select the Memberships tab at the top. This tab lists all of your current memberships and billing details. You'll need to cancel all active memberships before you can request account deletion. Go through the list and cancel each one. For each membership, click Cancel Membership and then confirm the action on the following screen. You may see a brief confirmation prompt or survey. Just proceed through it to finalize the cancellation. Repeat this for every active membership until none remain. Some cancellations may take effect at the end of your current billing cycle, but completing this step ensures no new charges occur. With memberships canceled, head to the Privacy tools. Click the ellipsis icon located next to your name in the left corner to open the menu, then select Privacy Policy. On the Privacy Policy page, locate and click the Make a Privacy Request button. Depending on the layout, this button may appear in the top left or top right of the page. When the Privacy Request portal opens, choose the Erase option. This submits a request to delete your personal data and your account. You'll be prompted to allow Patreon's data partner, Transcend, to access your account for the erasure process. Click Allow to proceed. This permission is required so the system can securely process and automate the deletion. After submitting, you may receive a confirmation and follow-up notices as the request is processed. Deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. That's it. You searched for Patreon, logged in, confirmed you were on your member profile, canceled all memberships, and then submitted an erase request through the Privacy tools. Take a moment to verify your email for any confirmations, and you're done.